Good morning. It is a beautiful, peaceful morning. We woke up early enough to see the sunrise. Did you see the sunrise?
Yeah, we did.
It is now just past 6 a.m. We got to get our day started nice and early because we've got work to do, we've got some exploring to do. We've got to go get our exercises done. So that is not the first port of call. First port of call is coffee. Then we go to the gym. But it's all got to be done early. Let's go.
How was this AM training?
Oh, sweaty, but it's now, look, not even 9:30 and we've done 2 training sessions and we've got the rest of the day ahead of us. How glorious.
Let's jump in the pool first.
Yes. Is it nice? So we've done a gym, jiu-jitsu, and now we're gonna get some brunch and spend a few hours working because even though we're only here for a week, we've got stuff to do. Hopefully this is one of only 2 days that we actually spend a good bit of time working. And here it seems like a really good place to do it. The breeze from outside is beautiful. When you're in the sun, it's really warm, but here, like, this is actually perfect. There's no AC inside, so this actually
There is there. AC there, look.
right behind my head. Is it really? Well, it's not on.
No, I don't. Yeah, maybe it's on, but it's not in the whole place, I think.
We'll get our brunch, and then we'll maybe get one more coffee and get some work going.
Ah, look at this food. This looks so
big.
delicious. Oh, this looks so good.
Yes.
I'm so happy, so hungry. I'm very hungry. That's it.
Boys.
This ball is so big. Delicious.
How are the vegetables?
Super fresh. And it's cooked in very nice and healthy way. Like you can see there isn't much oil or
But
anything.
a nice olive oil. Must be
Yeah,
cooked
no,
well.
but just enough. Doesn't have like everything is so nice and fresh.
It's not like greasy.
No, not at all. So good, so fresh, delicious.
You know what I think it could be? It could be also fresh tomatoes.
Yeah.
How good are fresh tomatoes? It's similar to like Albania, like it's a Mediterranean like climate, perfect to grow beautiful tomatoes, beautiful vegetables.
This is also good. The seeds on the top.
We know people who watch these videos love our food reviews. So.
Yeah. Back to
Cyprus
protein.
is definitely Cyprus is definitely a good place for food, which I didn't expect.
Me neither.
A really good job of taking care of what you can take care of and then not overly.
So training done, working done, and now we just want to relax and enjoy the rest of our day. This day has actually been very, very nice. What do you think?
Yeah. Did you feel productive at the co-working space?
Yeah, I felt like the co-work space was great.
Like sometimes when we're on a short place, it's hard to, like, you can't just work in the room.
Yeah, it's difficult to concentrate because you just want to be outside doing things, but I felt because we woke up early, we have good training, we have a good meal. 2 or 3 hours of work was just what we needed. I thought the co-work was great, actually.
Yeah.
Very good AC, very good high-speed internet. That co-work at Meraki Café we used, you could pay 12 euros just to use the co-work and don't have to spend or buy anything at the cafe, or you can spend 25 euros at the cafe and use the co-work for free. So I think that is quite handy, because if you're gonna be there for the whole day or for like a long period of time, 25 euros is not much. What do you think?
And the view there was really nice. And we got some good, real productive work done. Now we've earned, not that you have to earn some time on the beach, but now we can really relax with like our minds free of anything else.
Let's go!
PM and that sand is red hot, scorching my feet, so keep your shoes on. Anyway, got the sunbed all set up, 750 for as long as we want for the 2 beds and the umbrella. Doesn't accept cash, but he sent us to this cafe above, and if we go to the cafe above we can just get a charge to the credit card for cash back and then pay there. So no extra charge, that's the easy way done. He was very nice in explaining it to us. Everyone here has been incredibly nice, like incredibly nice so far, so really happy. What a first 2 days here, we are loving it. That was easy, and I checked, there was no extra charge either, so dude's just being nice. How about that? No tourist traps at all so far.
Look at this water. It's so amazing, right? This is definitely very good. And it's not that busy.
It's not crowded, no. People are on holidays with their kids, so it is what it is, you know.
But it has a lot of space too.
It's not bad, yeah.
So much space.
It just might be that we're right next to pretty loud.
Yeah.
They're not a problem. Oh, yeah. Amazing.
Ah, this is so... So we just have a very busy day today and we're feeling very hungry. We came here specifically because we want to eat the vegan meze, and there's not many other restaurants that do vegan, so yeah, we're very happy. We got to taste Cypriot Greek food, but vegan, and that's awesome.
This is like when you're ready for that. The lights have just gone down in the movie theatre and you're ready for it all to start.
We're so excited.
Olive oil, fava, red lentils, hummus, bacon, tahini, and green olives. I'll bring you some breads.
Perfect.
Thank you very much.
Right, now we're caught mid-flight.
This is just so good.
This bread is great. All of this rice and lentils.
I think it's one of the best rice and lentils I've ever eaten in my life. And they just came with this rice here as well. That looks
Spinach.
really delicious. Everything, honestly, 10 of 10.
So far, absolutely. Been updated.
So, till now they didn't stop bringing things. And this is a cauliflower that looks like a chicken. So, you can save the chickens and eat cauliflower. Oh wow. It's so good.
Put it with a little bit of tahini.
Amazing. Wow. We got kibbeh here.
Like a vegan kibbeh. With stuff with like spinach and sweet corn inside. It's delicious. It's so good. All of this.
Their flavor is just amazing, right?
Yeah. Tastes so fresh. And it just keeps coming. It's like lightly fried and very flavorful.
Amazing.
Mushroom.
Mushroom. Oh, stuffed mushroom. Amazing. So this wasn't a mushroom. It was an eggplant. Aubergine. Aubergine for the Brits. Very good. Look at this. Amazing. So pretty. When the thaw was in the end, look at this.
Couscous.
All kind of beans. Couscous. Just get a little bit of everything because it's how it works. What kind of beans now?
Keep going.
This broader beans is so good. This black eye beans, that's it.
This is good.
Couscous. Is everything so good? So how is that?
The vine leaf is fresher than any vine leaf I've tasted in a long while. It's like not covered in oil and vinegar.
That's good, right? Delicious.
But a lot of these are a bit more vinegary. They're so good. So many different flavors.
I know, it's so crazy. We just asked for a baklava and this is my case.
Yeah, we said, oh, we're not too hungry, so we'll just get one
Just
split.
sure.
And then this cake. Try them.
Oh, look at this.
Ooh. Look at this. Sweet.
So good. The sorbet is pretty good too. Well, after an hour and a half, we finished our food. The Windmill restaurant is just like amazing, and it's not just vegan. They have the normal food as well. But the vegan food was like exceptional. Like we loved it. Every little thing was so tasty and so good. And people here are just so lovely as well. They attend you so well. Honestly, heads down for this place. It's so good. If you're in Cyprus, honestly, you should. It's a must to come to this restaurant because it's very good. And you should get the meze platter. The vegan meze platter.
Yeah. Now we're gonna go home.
Yeah.
Stop. Busy day tomorrow, which we'll see in the next video.
So if you enjoyed this video or you made it to the end, please hit the like button. This helps us a lot. Comment below anything you'd like to know or see about us.
Let us know what you think of meze food, because that was exceptional. Is it always that good?
Thank you very much for watching it. I guess we'll see you tomorrow.